Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to share your Netflix account with your friend. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please do hit the like and subscribe button, and let's get right into it. So here I have my Netflix account open, and if you do want to share this to your friend, what you can do is just provide them the username and password, and make sure that under the profiles, make sure that your friend is one of these or using one of these profiles. So you are allowed to have five profiles that you can create here on Netflix. Make sure that you will be able to create or go to manage profiles and create a profile for your friend if you still have a vacant profile that he or she can use. And that's basically how you will be able to share your Netflix account to your friend. That's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.